Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial for drawing a stairs in perfect perspective. And what you need to do this is an H or an HB pencil and of course a ruler, so you can sketch out the lines that we need to draw in this stair in perfect perspective. And once you have all the lines going and you understand what you've been doing, you can make your stairs as beautiful as you want, with little stones in them and little plants that are growing in it, or whatever you want to draw. But this is purely about those steps of the stairs, and once we've drawn in everything, I will be pointing it out with my fine liner. Okay, let's get started. We head out with our horizon, of course, and two disappearing points. Oh, my camera is having a trouble. Two disappearing points, left and right. And first I'm deciding where I want the corner of the stairs to be. And all I need to do at first is simply, just like when you are drawing a house, is to draw out my first step of the stairs. Okay, well, let's say I want my stair step to be like this broad. Now it is very important to get two diagonals to point out where the center is of my first step, and then I connect this and I draw a line through it to the left disappearing point. Now all I need to do is place a dot through that center line, and here I know exactly the distance for the next stair. Depending on how many steps your staircase will have, will decide how many times you have to measure out all the steps. For this demonstration, I'm just putting in some so you can watch along how this is built up. And I'm taking a few of them because I want to draw underneath the line of the horizon and also above that line. Okay, these are perfect. Now I need to decide the steepness of my staircase. I get a third disappearing point. It's a little helper point actually. And in this way I know the steepness of the stair that I want to draw. First I put in the line for the first step. I simply make it disappear to the right. Now I need the diagonal helper line to decide the height of the second stair step. I draw in the line to the right disappearing point, and for the top of the stair I need my left disappearing point, like so. Now the point below is already decided, so I know how broad my second stair step is. All I need to do is connect it with the right disappearing point, and here's my second stair step. Now it's getting interesting because we are going to draw above the horizon. I simply draw out to the left disappearing point, and to the right disappearing point. Now we get a different angle. Okay, for the fourth step, I do the same. And you cannot look up on the stair steps anymore. So I simply follow the basic that I've drawn in already and simply use the left and the right disappearing point for the correct perspective. Nice. Okay. I want my staircase to be like this big, for instance. So I draw a second helper line. The first line is simple, it's vertical. There's no perspective there, simply straight down. Now for the top of the stair, I need the left disappearing point. Here I simply go straight up again, vertical. But this one needs the left disappearing point, up till here. Then I go to the top of the third stair step. I cannot look up on that anymore. So now all I need to do is draw in the vertical lines. Oh, well, they're a bit crooked anyway. I will correct that later. And now we're going to check what we've actually been drawing, because now there are a lot of lines in your drawing, so keep focused. This is what we've actually been drawing. The front of the stair, here the back of the staircase. Now I'm using my ruler. Here's the top step. This one we can just get a glimpse upon, and this one you can really look up onto. And of course here the bottom line, and just to make it nice I will close it up. Now here is your staircase that is 100% perfect in perspective. You can do with this basic knowledge any staircase you want. And you can draw it, maybe you want to draw a nice building with stair steps in front of them, and from now on and once and for all you can always draw in perfect staircases and steps any way you want. So, I hope you enjoyed it, and please give it a like, share it with your friends, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Also check out my other tutorials if you like, and I will see you again in my next tutorial.